Looking for natural ways to remove wax from apples? While many produce companies spray synthetic wax on apples to extend its shelf life, you can easily remove it at home. One easy option is to dunk your apple in boiling water for just a few seconds, turning it around with a slotted spoon to remove the wax on all sides. Vinegar is also a great solution to remove wax from apples. Fill your clean sink or a large bowl with cold water. Add 1 to 2 cups, 240 to 470 milliliters of plain white vinegar, and soak your apples in the mixture for 5 to 10 minutes. Scrub the apples to help dissolve the wax on all sides before rinsing them thoroughly with clean water. Alternatively, soaking apples in a baking soda mixture will use baking soda's abrasive powers to get rid of waxy residue. Fill a bowl with 2 cups, 470 milliliters of water, and 1 teaspoon, 4 grams, of baking soda, and let them soak for 15 minutes before washing and enjoying. Finally, peeling the apple entirely is a surefire way to effectively eliminate wax from your fruit. Avoid using soaps or cleaners on your apples as they may contain harmful chemicals that shouldn't be ingested. Choose a natural method to remove any wax and safely enjoy your apples.